Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have the wig back on, and I've been diddling with it, y'all, because it's so funny. I swear, I'd be like trying to give it volume, trying to like make sure it's not too much. I don't know, y'all. But also, let me show y'all the top. So I got my turtleneck. I've also got the bidet. I keep on wanting to say bidet, the bandeau top. I don't know how to say it, but I think that's it. This is it. I love these, y'all. These are cute. I got two of them. I don't know why I got two. It was supposed to be one, but two of them came out. So yeah, now I got two. It's so cute. I just love this. I need to wear this wig to class, but I don't know if I'm confident enough to wear it to class. Yes, I am. Let me stop. I just love my short hair though, but it's like I got the wig for like videos, and I was getting it for my best friend's birthday. Sarah, love you. So y'all. Today, I did want to show you guys the Morphe palettes I got. I did them on my TikTok page. I did not do my YouTube short, on the YouTube short page. But I did want to like talk about the colors, and I actually want to do a couple swatches to see what it feels like. I know a good texture of makeup, okay? Like, especially with eyeshadows. I love soft eyeshadows because it'll tell me if it's gonna fall or not. That's a big thing, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna do that with the Meredith Duxbury and the 9H palette. I'm so excited, so let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, let's start off with the 9H palette. This string is getting on my nerves. It's getting on my nerves. I need to put some mousse on there because it's getting on my nerves, seriously. Okay, y'all. I saw these wigs. You really gotta, like, mess around with this stuff. Okay, let me stop playing, okay? Let me lift this up. No, I'm not gonna say okay again, but I did. Anyways, okay. So 9H palette. Y'all, I love the smaller palettes. Not only are they more affordable, but they do have good colors in them. And this one was, I believe I said it was like, I don't know, it was like $13. Love it, love it, love it. 9H. It also says the palette, the colors on the back. So we got Sweet Things, Feel Good, Sizzling, Electricity, Just Peachy, Keep It Casual, Big Heart, Hottie Alert, Yellow There. That's how you know this is a pink palette. Let's see. Once again. But yeah. And they're like small. Is this a mirror? Oh, okay, it is a mirror. I'm like, I know it's a mirror on there, but you just turn that back. I actually like this so you can actually see it and not look at me. So I don't like the yellow. I don't think I'm going to be able to use that though, because every time with a yellow or like lime green, you have to use like a white base, and I'm not there yet on like doing that because I don't buy white bases, but I really do like the color, so I'm going to have to figure it out. Let's swatch it to see, y'all, okay? Okay, that's a soft eyeshadow, but that right there, hold on, let me show y'all. It kind of tells me that it's not going to be bright. It looked bright on there, but it's not that bright. It's more like a lime green, but if I swatch it, well, that's not too bad. Let me let y'all see so y'all cannot see me. That's not too bad, but I can already tell that's not going to be showing on my skin like that. So yeah. I'll definitely have to dig into that one, y'all, and definitely have to use like a white primer rather than concealer to do that. Let me see what else I want to try to, the pinks are really important to me, y'all, okay? I love the pink palette, the pink eyeshadows. I never had a bad pink eyeshadow. Well, one of them, but I normally don't have to dig too much in them. So let's see. Oh, that's cute. Look at this one, y'all. That's a cute color. That's a cute color. Let's swatch that. Okay. Also, on a black girl's hand, it's definitely different than like different races. It's cute though. I can see that I would probably have to dig into that one to get it like really, really vibrant, which I'm not mad about that. Let's try one more. I'm gonna try this shimmer. It's like a shimmer pink. These are casual that you could wear with a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do the orange, I think, y'all. Let me do the purple, the pink first. Let me see. Oh, that's cute. I want to wear this tomorrow. Look at that. It's like a light pink, but it looked kind of silver. Okay, I like that one. Look at that right there. Wow. That's actually nice. Now I want to try another one. Let's try one more. I'm going to do the orange. Because I can tell these are going to, the light pink ones are going to be really light, so it's not much to those. Or we could do, I keep on trying to push it back. Let's do the orange first. Oh, look at that one, y'all. Nice. Let's swatch it. Okay, that's not too bad. And let's do the silver. Okay, that's like hard to, it's cute, but it also looks like it's hard to like kind of show. I'm gonna do it so y'all don't have to see me. Anyways, let's see. Okay, it looked more like just a shimmer, silver, goldish. I like that though. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. This is a nice palette, especially if you want to get your first palette with a couple of colors. I recommend it. It's really nice and it's really light. Definitely a casual palette, and I like that. It's a hot for the hue. I love this. I like the pink and, well, I don't know how to say I love. Let me not even lie. I like the pink in here, okay? The pink and orange is probably my favorite, and that, the light pink shimmery, okay? This is a cute casual palette. You could wear it with anything, but it's like not really. Just if you want to put light pink with everything, I would say, because I wear pink with anything, and that's kind of crazy, but like you wouldn't be able to tell with light pink. That's why I say you can wear it with anything. I don't know how I feel about that, about the orange, the green though, because on darker women, you'll definitely have to you have to dig in it. You'll have to use a white base for that to show. But it's still a nice palette, and I will still use it. Now let's get into Meredith palette, because I'm so excited about that one, y'all. Okay, y'all, so let's open this once again. It's so pretty. I love this freaking case. Look at this. I say case, but I love the whole palette. I'm so excited to try like some of these colors. Okay, y'all. So my favorite part of this whole thing, I like that you have like the main color, which is like a shimmer, and then there's like a section of everyone. These dark ones are so pretty. I cannot wait. I was like, is that black? Call me car. Call me a car. Oh, I just thought about this. Hold on. The names of these, y'all, these are so cute. Let's name them. Let's say some cute ones. Scrunchies, Diamond Iceberg. Hot Glam. I like that. I love to Call Me a Car. Concert, Jungle, Endless Nights, Empire State, Private Party. That is like perfect for private party. It's like a shimmer silver. City of Dreams. Oh my God, oh my God, it says Soho on top of it. City of Dreams, Bloody Mary. This is perfect. This is like an all night out girls trip. Go to the club, out to dinner, anything. Go get her drinks. That's what this palette is for. So she has her, like a quote under here, or this is something she's saying to everybody who buys it. Let's read it. You guys, I'm so excited for you to capture my signature look. Okay, what look was that? I guess it's the one that's on the cover. It is a pretty look, that blue one, y'all. You already know how much I love gloss and glam. I swear to God, I do too. And this collection is literally dripping in it. I was inspired by the idea of lounging by an NYC rooftop pool in a full face glam for a flawless look with an unexpected wet effect finish. I know you'll love it as much as I do. Meredith Duxbury. I would not wear a full face of makeup at a pool. Yes, I would, because I will be doing it at the beach. But I can't blame her. I'm really becoming a fan of her, y'all. This palette is so freaking pretty. Her makeup is just so cute. And like I always say, I just can't get over the the foundation thing. That would never happen to me. I would never do that. I'm not wasting this foundation, especially when I just bought that viral $50 foundation, y'all. I would never. But I love this palette. So let's just start swatching. So I think I'm gonna start with the Central Park. Of course, it's green for the grass. Let's see. Y'all, bro, let me tell y'all what just happened. Okay, this eyeshadow, I'm amazed. That's why I did this. It's so soft. Oh my God. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's looking even better. It's gonna look even better when because I like to dig and stuff like that. When it's like really soft, because it's gonna be, I can pat it on there. Oh, that's worth it. That is so soft. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do it pink, because I always got to check the pinks, because I'm a big pink fan. The eyeshadow. Oh, look at that, y'all. I wish I had I wish I had like a stool by me I could set this on. That is pretty. Oh, okay. And by the way, it's just my camera. It's more hot pink off camera, y'all. Okay. Let's try the yellow, because I'm trying to see some colors that I wouldn't think of. Yeah, once again, it's just with I don't know if it's just like black people, but this is not gonna be easy with these colors. But it's still it shows. Look at that though. I don't know how I'm gonna do these colors, the yellow. And it don't I just blew it, y'all, because I have to make sure, but it don't even go off. That's amazing. Let's try Diamond Iceberg, because this look kind of like a lilac, and she got the scrunchies is a lilac color, of course. Let's try this Diamond Iceberg. We'll just put that in there. Cute. Oh my God, I can't wait to use these colors. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, the Penthouse, please. Oh my God, I love that saying, penthouse, please. Literally like calling for a concierge penthouse. Oh my God, like these are so, it's so freaking creative. Like I love this name. I love when people name them, like name the eyeshadows so creatively. Oh my God. Oh my God, I think I might wear this one. I might do a look with this one tomorrow, y'all. Look at that. It's more vibrant off camera. It looked like light pink in there, but it's more like a hot purple. I love this. There we go, right here. More hot purple off camera. It's so pretty. Wow. Oh my God. And I'm gonna take a picture and I'll put up here what it really looks like, okay? But yeah. Oh my God, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Bloody Mary. This is more of a like a brown. Now, let me go and say this because let me herp test it before I say it because I already know what I'm about to say. Yep. I was looking for a really nice brown, y'all. 100% I will wear this color every freaking day. I'm not joking. Look at that. I will wear that color every day. Like, this ain't no joke. That brown is beautiful. I don't think I ever seen the brown. I don't think I ever had a brown like that. Oh, these colors are to die for, y'all. So yeah, this palette, the eyeshadows, I love soft eyeshadows because I don't like when you can't, if it don't stick on the brush, it's not going to stick on your face and then it's going to fall. This is some soft eyeshadow. It's been a while, y'all. I think the last soft eyeshadow, was the lilac palette I had. The lilac palette from Morphe and the Jaclyn Hill palette because her palettes were so beautiful. And she had the softest freaking eyeshadow. This is up there. Let me try one more. I want to try the Wellness. It's like a kind of like a darker green. Or like a not grunge green, but I'm really curious about what this looked like. This is it. It looked kind of yellow on here, but it's darker. It's like green on here, y'all. Ooh, that's it right there. Cute. These colors are good, even on my skin color, so that works. We're doing a color soon, like an eyeshadow soon, because this is too good to be true. I love these eyeshadows. And I've said it before, I love the palette because it looked like water on it, and you can feel it. It's like everywhere that it looked like there's a water drop, it feels like a water drop. That's so unique. So yeah, this palette is amazing to die for. It's so creative, and I wish I really want a palette now. I want to do my own. So I'm going to end it here, y'all. I just want to do a couple swatches for you guys. I wasn't doing a look today, but those colors are so amazing. Seriously. Also, I did do a post, but I would like to say it. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. We made it to 400 subscribers. It's amazing. Or have we not? Have we? You know, things go up and down. Oh, well. But I saw the 400. And if it's down and if it's up, I don't really care. We're just going to keep it going, okay? But thank you guys for all my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I have a lot of new content for you guys, okay? And on that note, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. And I will see you beautiful people on the next video. Bye.